Okay. I got these two locks from Steel Pinnings. This is a 6-pin Y1 or a Y2, sorry, keyway. And he said that it would work both locks, but this is a 5-pin, and when you stick the lock key in, it don't turn. Well, I noticed this black line, so you stick it in to around that black line, and you gotta get it just right, and it turns. But you can pull the key out, but nevertheless, there's your bidding from black line down, because it's a 5-pin, not a 6-pin, so take away that pin, so it's that bidding there. So let's see what I can do with it. It's got a lot of play in it. Let's see. Click. Got a little turn and a click, a little more. A little more. Another click. Another counter rotation and a click. And another. A little more turn. And there we go. Okay. There it is, open. So let's see what's in this one. Then I'm gonna pick the next one. That the key works. Go ahead and trim it. Be on the safe side. Okay. About right in there, I guess, is where the key has to be. But it looks like all of them counter milled out. pretty good. So let's just set the key there for now. Serrated. Ain't much of a key pin left on that one. Tweezers here. Key pins are tapered. And looks like all of them are threaded as well. That one's almost broke through right there. Let's see what's up top. Serrated. Go ahead and pull springs out too, I guess. I've got to start checking these for the pin and pin, because a lot of them don't look like pin and pin until I start putting them back together and they come apart on me. So, West Coast picks and Steel Pinnings, I'm going to have to start checking them pretty good, just so that I can make sure. And don't look like any of these are pin and pin. Don't look like any of them's been threaded up top. It's got a little smiley face on it and a key on it. Alright. Here is this. Come on, focus. Y2 from Steel Pinnings. Rim cylinder. Alright, thanks for the lock. It will be sent out to someone else. And as always, be good, be safe, be legal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Go check out Steel Pinnings channel. Have a good one, guys. Thanks again.